Step into the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, front dual-zone air conditioning, skid plates, and more. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.